Alright guys, what is good? So in our last video we talked about how big the forex market is, what is forex, the amount of money that is being traded in the forex market, the currencies that are being traded, and how the forex market works. That was the previous video. Now we are in the present. Let's talk about something different. So we're going to be talking about market sessions, like the market sections, like when each market open, just like in our local markets these days. Say so some markets do open by 7 o'clock, and some markets do, and that's the markets do close by 6, and some markets are being open from morning till whenever they wish to, and some markets don't open on Sundays, and some markets don't open on social time. I know you guys have such markets, like where the place I do live, there's some markets that open by 7 o'clock and close by 6, and there's some markets that open whenever they want to, and some markets, you understand? I'm just giving this as an example. So we're going to be talking about market sessions in the forex market, and the currencies that are being traded in every session. Yes, guys, you can trade whatever currency you want to trade in each session, but I'm talking about the one that is going to give you high results. The ones that are going to give you high results in each session. And we'll be talking about the base and the quote currency. Don't worry, don't get me wrong. I'm still going to go deep in what I'm talking about. So first of all, the market session. Like I said, there are 4 market sessions in the forex market. First is the New York session. Second is the London session. Third is the Tokyo, and the fourth is the Sydney. The Sydney doesn't have much strength, but the first, all of them have strength. But you understand what I'm talking about. So in the New York section, the currency that is being traded in the New York section is called the USD, the United States dollars. And in the London session, the currency that is being traded in the London session is the GBP, the Great Britain pounds. And Tokyo session, the currency that is being traded in the Tokyo session is the JPY, Japanese yen. And the Sydney session, the currency that is being traded in the Sydney session is the AUD, Australian dollars. Now you've known the currencies that are being traded in each session. Then let's now check the time that the markets do open. Now the New York session do open 8 a.m. New York time. New York time, 8 a.m. The London session do open, that is the GBP, open 8 a.m. London time. Tokyo session, that is the JPY, opens 9 a.m. Tokyo time. And the Sydney session, that is the AUD, opens, that is Australian dollar, opens 7 a.m. Sydney time. Let us say you want to trade the New York session. The currencies that are being traded in the New York session, that is being traded in the New York session, is the United States dollars, the USD. And it doesn't matter the currency that is being merged with the USD. It doesn't matter the currency that is being merged with the USD, as long as it's that time. Say this is the USD time. Any currency that is with the USD is going to have a high buying or selling power. So if you are a smart trader, the best thing you can ever do is go into the trade, analyze the trade, put your buy or sell button, set your stop loss and take profit, and continue with your day work. Then before you can check it, if you're already a profitable trader, you hit your take profit. I think so. So let's say you want to trade the USD, that is the New York session, 8 a.m. New York time. Then what you should do is this. Depending on your country, it doesn't matter the country you are in. Because me, let's say, I'm in Nigeria now. 8 a.m. New York time. What you should do now is this. Take your phone, go to Google, search what's the time currently in New York. Let us say, they say the time in New York right now is 7 a.m. That is 1 hour to 8 a.m. And your time in Nigeria is, let's just say 4 a.m. Now you just check if you should add one hour for you to be 8 a.m. in the New York time. Then just add another extra 1 hour to yourself. That is, your one is going to be 5 a.m. If you add one hour to 4 a.m., that is 5 a.m. The time that the New York session is going to, the time that the New York session will open in your country is 5 a.m. 5 a.m. you need to be in market if you want to trade the USD, that is United States dollar. So it doesn't matter if the currency match is Euro USD or GBP USD or USD JPY, XA USD, it doesn't matter. As long as the USD is there, the market will have much buying or selling power. So same thing applies to the London session, that is the GBP. Also, the time of the GBP is 8 a.m. 8 a.m. London time. 8 a.m. London time. Same thing, if you want to trade the GBP, that is the London time, the London session, check what's the time in the London session. Check what's the time. Be like, okay, let us say the time in GBP is, the time in London is still 4 o'clock, 4 a.m. And it still needs more extra 4 hours for the market to open. No. Okay, let's just say it's 4 a.m. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8. It still needs extra 4 hours for the market to open. And your own time, let us say you are already in 7 a.m. If you add more 4 hours to 7 a.m., I think it should give you okay, 8, 9, 10, 11. And the time you should enter that trade is 11 a.m. You are ahead of them. So you should set your alarm that particular time. That is, if you want to be in the trade of the London session, that is the GBP, the Great Britain pounds. So same thing applies to the JPY and the Sydney session. That is how it's going to be. Doesn't matter the currency that is being merged with it, as long as that currency is there. Whether the session you want to trade, the currency is the base or the quote. So I'm still going to talk about this mosquito. I don't care if the currency is the base or the quote currency. So what I'm trying to say here is this: as long as that currency is there and you're in a particular time, watch that trade is going to have much buying or selling power. So guys, let's talk about the base and the quote currency. Now, when you talk about the base is the first currency. Let us say you want to trade the USD JPY. Which one do we call first? USD, United States dollar, slash the JPY. Now, the first one is the USD. The USD is the base currency. Anyone that comes first is the base, right? The slash and the other currency is the quote currency. Let's say I'm trading GBP, USD. GBP is the base, USD is the quote. Let's say I'm trading NZD, New Zealand dollar versus the United States dollar. New Zealand dollar is the base, United States is the quote. Anyone that comes first is the base. The second is the quote. Guys, don't get me wrong. I think that is what I'm going to tell you now about the forex market. I'm not going to start a video by telling you if the market goes too high, if the market goes too low, you press your buy, you press your sell. No, I'm not going to start telling you that. It's very, very risky. The forex market is very, very risky. You need to apply much wisdom. You have to undergo so many trainings so that when you are pressing any button, you are not sure, you already have confidence. That's why most people, they just see, especially most guys, maybe their friends are doing well, and you see them wearing expensive watches, seeing them driving nice cars, and they want to be like their friend overnight. It's okay. That my friend is doing forex. Wow, forex, and he doesn't want to tell me since I want to study forex. And you don't know if that your friend have been learning that forex trading secretly for 2 years, and he has been studying forex 2 years secretly. And you, because you just found out that he's doing forex, you just want to go and enter immediately. The same speed you take enter, that is the same speed you will take and jump out. Because forex is going to naked you. It is going to disgrace you and make you frustrated. Because if you don't have an understanding about the forex market, if you enter there, you're going to go and kill yourself. Because forex can make you feel 100% depressed. It can turn your emotions upside down. It can destroy you. It can take your mental health and turn it upside down. So guys, before you can be able to press the buy or the sell button, you need the proper training. At least a minimum of 6 months. That is if they catch things fast. A minimum of 6 months, you should be able to understand everything you need to know about the forex market. I'm not saying there's a 100% forex trader, no. Even those that call themselves professional forex trader, they're professional because their strategy work for them 90% or 80% of the time. There's no 100% strategy. No, there's no 100% strategy. Even if that person is trading smart money concept, is trading maybe he's just trading about trends or any other thing, or he's trading the news, all this kind of thing. There's no 100% forex trader. See that his strategies is helping him 80% or 90% of the time. That is just it. You just have to master one particular thing. Just like what Bruce Lee said. He said, what Bruce Lee said is this: I don't fear a man that practiced 10,000 kicks once. Bruce Lee said, I fear a man that practiced one kick 10,000 times. So you have to learn just one strategy before you can be able to be profitable in the forex market. And before you will not have to be able to learn one strategy, you have to understand the basics of forex, which I am teaching you now. As in our previous video, I taught what is forex, how big the forex market is, the amount of money that is being traded. Come on, guys, do you know how much is being traded in the forex market every single day? $6.6 trillion. Trillion with a big capital T. $1 trillion. Well, but you can't just say because of its $1 trillion you have to enter into the market and cash out $1,000 or $10,000 or $100,000 in a single day. It's possible. Some people are making $1 million. Some people are making, I think the person that made highest money for forex, I've forgotten his name. I think he made $1 billion. Nobody has beat his record since that time. $1 billion. So guys, it's very, very possible. Yes, it's very, very possible to make $1 million, to make $100,000 from forex in a day. But you don't just have to, you cannot just wake up in the morning and pick up your phone and sign up on any of the brokers and be like, I want to trade forex and enter. You will lose your money and you'll be frustrated and you won't go in debt. And people that you borrow money from, whose police will arrest you. So you just need proper lessons. Understand the basics. Even if you just emote, use emote, understand the basics. Know everything. Know what is forex, know the base and the quotes, understand currencies that are being traded, understand their sessions, understand everything you need to know. Before you start talking about trend lines, candlesticks, price action, liquidity, fair value gap, all those kind of things. So guys, I think this is enough for today. I think this video is enough for today. We've learned currency time, the time a market do open. The currencies that are being traded in a particular session, the time, the quotes and the base currencies, and a little motivation. You'll be profitable, I guarantee you that. There's nothing like, I tried a particular thing for 5 years and it didn't work. No, even if you are doing evil, and you do that evil for 5 years, that evil will be very profitable to you. So just now imagine if you put that, if you are now dedicated to something good for straight a year. Come on, guys. Most people, they do see online business as something that you just enter online, click few buttons, and become a millionaire. No, that is not how it's done. That is not how it's done. It's not done that way. How it's done is this: if you can, maybe you've graduated from, let us say you came out from secondary school, and you don't have money to go into the university, and your dad will be like, okay, since I don't have money to take you to the university, I want you to go and learn work. I want to go and learn a trade. If you want to go and learn work, let us say you want to learn fashion designing or fabrication of amako or painting or whatever. It will take you a year and 6 months or 2 years to bend down in your master's hand to understand that job. But why can't you just bend down a year or 6 months learning one particular thing by yourself that is going to favor you years to come? Why? Because your emotions are already kicking. You're saying one line and be like, this candlestick that is going up now is $10 million. This candlestick that is going down is $100 million. No, that is not how it's done. That candlestick that is going up to you that don't understand the forex market, for you is going to be a minus $10,000 if you don't know it. But if you know it, if you bend down, stay a year or 6 months understanding the forex market, that one candlestick can be plus $100,000. But if you don't know it, it can be a minus. That's why you need to calm down and understand what the forex market is saying before you conclude by yourself. Carry your laptop or your phone and start clicking the buy or sell button and blow all your money in one day. I was surprised the other day, but somebody was saying, what's the stop loss? You don't know what's the stop loss, you're entering into the forex market. So guys, I think that is all for today. That's all for today. I believe in you. Yes, I believe in you. And I know that you're going to make it in the forex market. But do not rush things. Do not rush things. Give yourself, just like people that go into the university and they spend 4 years in university. And you'll be like, okay, if I can spend 4 years in university, or 3 years in university, whatever years you want to spend there, and still come out without a job, why can't I just bend down and learn this thing for just a year? Or at least, if it's too long, 2 years. And I know that if I'm coming out and becoming a millionaire in dollars, why can't we just bend down and learn it? Because we just want to be like our friends that are already making it. Our friends that secretly learned it without telling us. We just want to be like them. And forgetting that 3 years will still come. 3 years from now will still come. This is 2023. 2025 will still come. 2026 will still come. What will your life be like that time? That's what you should be checking. So guys, I think I've exceeded much time. This is already I think this is 15 minutes right now. So please do yourself a favor. Do me a favor. Don't be like, I watched the Marshford FX video and he said enter into the forex market. I didn't say enter into the forex market. That is not what I'm saying. I'm saying take your time. Take your time. And I'm also saying you should study forex for 6 months. If you study forex for 6 months, you become profitable. No, that's what I'm saying. You can learn forex trading under 3 months and become profitable. You can learn it under a year and become profitable. And some people, you can still learn it under 8 months, 10 months, but they will not still be profitable. Depends on how dedicated you are. It's also proven in the Bible. The Bible says, as a man thinks, so is he. So, if you can think something, that thing will come into reality. So, just put in the work. Just give it a year, guys. Give it a year. Maximum a year. Seriousness every day. Give forex trading 1 hour or 2 hours every single day for a complete year, and I guarantee you there is no car, even if it's a Lamborghini, a Ferrari, or a Porsche, or a Bugatti, whatever car it is, that you will not be able to drive. And there is no house that price will just your house, except you just don't want to live in that house. There is no house that they will call the price and be like, I don't have the money, I'm not buying. Just a year, 2 hours every day for a single year. You'll be very, very profitable. You'll be a professional trader. So guys, I've exceeded my time. Thanks so much for watching till the end. I'm going to see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can see this video too. Thanks.